Now we will study what is a matrix. Okay, so matrix can be defined like this: a rectangular representation of numbers, either real or complex, is known as matrix. A representation of numbers. Okay, a rectangular representation of numbers, either real or complex, is known as matrix representation of numbers. Okay, I will tell you general form of matrix here. So let we will consider A is equal to, like this general form I will consider, afterwards I will explain. Okay, so A11, A12 and so on up to A1n. Similarly A21, A22 and so on, A2n and so on. Here it is AM1, it is AM2 and so on, AMN. So this is your general form of a matrix. So here we can say this one A11, A12 and so on. A11 is a row 1, so R1 row 1, this is nothing but your row 2, and this is nothing but like this it is, and so on, so on. Okay, so this will be rmth row, so row m it is. Similarly here it is C1, this is vertical na, so it is your column, this is horizontal, this is your row, so this will be column 2. Okay, this is and so on and so on, column, this is n. Okay, so we can represent the order of this matrix as m by n. Few will read as m into n, but you take this as a m by n. So m rows are there, n columns are there. First this will be a row, number of rows, this will be number of rows, and this will be number of columns. Okay, so here always you have to represent first as a row, and next one it is column. Okay, so now by giving this general example, a general representation of matrix, I can say that first point, the order of the matrix A is m by n, or you can say that m by n, like this you can say both. Okay, anyone you can say. Okay, this or this you can say. Now second one, r1, r2 and so on, rm represents what? Rows, and C1, C2 and so on up to Cn represents what? Columns. Very good, columns. Okay, next third point we can say here, a matrix A, this matrix, okay, A is denoted by or denoted as, you can say. Okay, A is equal to, like this. Okay, Aij m by n. Okay, where Aij represents in ith row and jth column. Okay, so this is the ith, I into j you can write like this. Okay, ith row and jth column, that I will explain. Okay, symbolically you can write one more point, point number 4 you can say now. So symbolically symbolically the matrix represented as represented as like this or like this or this one. Okay, all can be done. Now last point, number of elements in the matrix of order is mn. If it is m into n, I mean m by n, this order, so order will be m into n, number of rows into number of columns, that is number of rows into number of columns. Okay, so now columns. Okay, now we will have an example, matrix A. Here I will write 2 3 4 4 5 6. Okay, so now how many rows are there here? This is one row, this is another row. So how many rows are there? Rows are 2 and columns 1 2 3. So how many columns are there? Columns are 3. 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. So I can write this as a 2 by 3. Okay, so always you have to write row. Do you remember RCC building? RCC building, in this one first will be R and next will be C na? So this is row and this is column. So according to this you can write 2 into 3. Okay, now you can say, my dear students, here if I write small aij, this is the element which we are writing here inside. Okay, so suppose I can give in general form this matrix as, now I can give as A is equal to, this can be written as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Okay, I can write like this. So A11 means what? First row, first column. First row, first column, A11 will be here 2, A12 will be 3. How? First row, second column. What is the meaning of this one? First row, third column. This is second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Okay, here ith row, jth column na? So like that we are taking. So one more example I will take, that is B is equal to, I can take like this, 1 2 3 4 also. So how many rows are there? 1 row, 2 row. So 2 I will write here. So how many columns are there? This is 1, this is 1. So how many are there? 2 are there. Okay, so which element you can say now? A22. What is A22 here? I will write A11 is equal to what? A22 is equal to what? A12 is equal to what? A21 is equal to what? Which are the elements present here? Okay, so what is this? A22, A11, A12, A21. Okay, A22 means second row, second column, means this one, this intersection of point, this one, like this. So it is 4, like this. A11 first row, first column, so this will be, it is 1. Next A12 means first row, second column, means this will be 2, and remaining this will be what? 3. What is that? A21. A21 means here second row, first column, second row, first column, means this intersection. So this will be here 3. Okay, thank you.